People are just now realizing the unsettling truth about having carpets, as a woman makes a grim discovery that might make you consider switching to wooden floors. Carpets can bring many benefits to your home. They can create a warm and inviting atmosphere, enhance your decor and color scheme, and offer additional insulation that can help reduce your energy bills, which is always a plus. However, they can also harbor a nasty secret: the amount of dirt and grime they can conceal, even if you're a clean freak who regularly uses your vacuum cleaner. Carpets endure a lot, probably more than anything else in your home, as we're constantly walking on them. But one mum from Queensland, Australia, was shocked to discover just how filthy her carpets were, despite her regular cleaning routine. The mum, who has a toddler and owns 2 dogs and a cat, had only installed her carpets 18 months prior, so she was taken aback by the amount of dirt that had accumulated in such a short time. She shared her grim discovery in the Facebook group Mums Who Clean after giving her carpets a thorough shampooing, reports the Mirror. And even though she vacuums regularly, she shared pictures of the grey water that emerged from her shampooing machine and the copious amounts of hair and fur that were removed during her deep clean. She decided to give her carpets a thorough cleaning after purchasing the Tinko Carpet One Pro from an Australian shop where it's currently on sale. However, you can also buy it from Amazon for £279. Upon trying it out, no one would be thrilled to discover the true extent of dirt in their carpets, but she was seriously impressed with its performance. "I'm super impressed using it on the automatic function," she commented. "Plus it has a drying feature which sucks up excess water and pumps out heat." This is an essential aspect to consider if you're thinking about investing in a carpet cleaner, because leaving your carpets soaked or even slightly wet can lead to mold growth in your home. Mold poses health risks, especially for those with respiratory conditions. To reduce the accumulation of dirt, grime, and potential allergens in your carpet, it's advisable to use a steam cleaner every 2 weeks, and experts recommend having your carpet professionally cleaned at least once annually. At the moment, Shark has a big sale on several different models of carpet cleaner. For example, the Carpet Expert Deep Carpet Cleaner, which currently costs £199.99 down from £249.99, and the Stain Striker Stain and Spot Cleaner, which is on sale for £124.99. Join the Daily Records WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages.